For anyone who wants DSLR-style zoom and manual controls without the hassle of swapping lenses or carrying a backpack full of gear, bridge cameras strike the perfect balance. They're powerful, practical, and built for everything from travel to wildlife photography. In this video, we're going over 6 of the best bridge cameras you can get in 2026. Whether you're after ultra zoom reach, better low-light performance, or advanced video features, there's something here for every type of shooter. We'll walk you through their key strengths, quirks, and who each one is best suited for. Product links are listed in the description below. Number 6. Canon PowerShot SX70 HS. The Canon PowerShot SX70 HS is a go-to option for anyone looking to get serious zoom in a camera that still feels easy to handle. Sitting in the entry-level bracket of bridge cameras, it combines a long-reaching lens with familiar controls, making it a practical choice for travelers, casual photographers, or those just stepping beyond their smartphones. The standout feature is the 65x optical zoom, offering an equivalent focal range of 21 to 1365 mm. Whether you're shooting landscapes, wildlife, or zooming in on distant details during your vacation, this lens covers nearly everything. It's powered by a 20.3 megapixel CMOS sensor and Canon's Digic 8 processor, delivering sharp images in daylight and respectable performance across a range of conditions. The SX70 HS also records 4K video, which is a welcome touch for those interested in casual vlogging or capturing clean travel footage. The electronic viewfinder is decent, and the vari-angle LCD screen makes composing shots at odd angles much easier, especially for beginners. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support quick sharing or remote shooting via Canon's mobile app. The layout of buttons and menus feels intuitive, especially for users familiar with Canon's interface, and the body is lightweight enough to carry comfortably all day. Overall, it's a well-rounded pick for anyone wanting serious zoom in a camera that's simple, compact, and easy to use. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix FZ1000 II. The Panasonic Lumix FZ1000 II strikes a smart balance between image quality, zoom range, and ease of use, making it a solid mid-range bridge camera for hobbyists and serious enthusiasts. It's especially appealing to those who want better results than what typical compact zoom cameras offer, without stepping up to a full DSLR or mirrorless setup. At the heart of the FZ1000 II is a 1-inch 20.1 megapixel sensor, which gives it a noticeable edge in dynamic range and low-light performance compared to smaller sensor bridge models. Paired with a 16x optical zoom lens, 25 to 400 mm equivalent, it delivers sharp, detailed shots throughout the range. While it doesn't reach as far as ultra-zoom cameras, the image clarity across its zoom spectrum more than makes up for it. Video shooters will appreciate the 4K video recording at 30 FPS, plus Panasonic's handy 4K photo mode, which lets you extract high-resolution stills from video footage. The camera also features a high-resolution EVF and a fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen, ideal for both stills and video work. Extras like 5-axis image stabilization and USB charging make it convenient for handheld use and on-the-go shooting. For users who value image quality and manual control over extreme zoom, the FZ1000 II is a dependable, well-rounded option. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix FZ80D. The Panasonic Lumix FZ80D is a feature-packed, budget-friendly bridge camera designed for users who want big zoom without a big price tag. It's particularly well-suited for travelers, families, and wildlife watchers who need serious reach but don't want to carry heavy gear or navigate steep learning curves. The standout here is the 60x optical zoom lens, which covers an impressive 20 to 1200 mm equivalent range. Whether you're snapping distant animals on safari or capturing landscapes and cityscapes on vacation, this camera offers the kind of flexibility most smartphones and compact cameras can't match. This updated FZ80D version introduces a much-needed OLED electronic viewfinder with better contrast and a more comfortable viewing experience than the original. The 3-inch touchscreen LCD is also touch-enabled, making it easier to navigate menus and focus quickly. It shoots 4K video and offers 4K photo modes, which let you pull stills from footage. The 18.1 megapixel sensor performs well in daylight, though low light conditions can introduce noticeable grain. For creative users, post-focus and focus stacking features are fun tools that add flexibility. The camera's layout and menu system are straightforward, making it easy for first-time bridge camera users to get the hang of things. Its lightweight plastic build keeps it portable, and image stabilization helps keep long zoom shots steady. The EVF resolution isn't top-tier, but it gets the job done. Overall, the FZ80D is a strong starting point for users who want a long zoom lens in a camera that's easy to handle and priced right. Number 3. Nikon Coolpix P1100. The Nikon Coolpix P1100 is built for one thing above all: zooming farther than almost any other camera on the market. Aimed at wildlife photographers, birdwatchers, and even moon chasers, this super zoom bridge camera is ideal for users who need extreme telephoto capability without diving into the world of interchangeable lenses. Its headline feature is the 125x optical zoom lens, covering a jaw-dropping 24 to 3000 mm equivalent range. That's more reach than most telescopes. Whether you're tracking birds in flight or zooming in on craters on the moon, the P1100 brings distant subjects right to you. Compared to its predecessor, the P1000, the P1100 features a new image sensor and processor combo, resulting in faster operation, better image quality, and improved autofocus tracking. It supports manual controls, RAW shooting, and 4K video, with stereo microphones and a mic input for creators who want to shoot from a distance. A welcome addition is the OLED electronic viewfinder, which makes composition easier in bright sunlight or at long zoom ranges. The inclusion of a hot shoe gives more flexibility for external accessories like flashes or microphones. It's worth noting that the camera is large and heavy, more in line with a DSLR in size, and sharpness can dip slightly at the far end of the zoom. But that's a trade-off many will accept for the reach. If zoom power is your top priority and you're okay with carrying a bit more weight, the Coolpix P1100 delivers like nothing else in its class. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix FZ1000. The Panasonic Lumix FZ1000 is a video-focused bridge camera designed with content creators and hybrid shooters in mind. It brings together solid image quality, professional video features, and intuitive manual controls, making it a strong choice for those who want serious functionality in a single package. At the core is a 1-inch 20-megapixel sensor, which delivers sharp stills with good dynamic range and depth. The 20x optical zoom lens, 24 to 480 mm equivalent, may not match the extreme reach of other bridge cameras, but it provides excellent clarity across its range and is more than enough for most subjects, from portraits to travel scenes. Where the FZ1000 really shines is video. It records Cinema 4K at 24 FPS, includes full manual video controls, and even offers built-in ND filters, something typically reserved for high-end gear. Mic and headphone jacks, along with customizable buttons and dual zoom controls, ring and rocker, make this camera especially appealing for vloggers and documentary shooters. The fully articulating LCD screen and high-res electronic viewfinder support a flexible shooting experience, while the body, though a bit bulky, is thoughtfully laid out and comfortable for extended use. Still photographers looking for ultra-zoom range may feel limited, but for those prioritizing video capabilities and creative control, the FZ1000 stands out as one of the most capable bridge cameras available. Number 1. Sony Cyber-shot RX10 IV. The Sony Cyber-shot RX10 IV is a flagship bridge camera that combines speed, power, and versatility in a single, all-in-one body. Designed for advanced users, wildlife, photographers, and frequent travelers, it offers professional-level features without the hassle of carrying multiple lenses or switching gear in the field. At its core is a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor paired with Sony's Bionz X image processor, delivering exceptional image quality and fast response times. The camera shoots up to 24 frames per second with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking, making it one of the fastest continuous shooting cameras in its class. Perfect for action, sports, and wildlife. The lens is a 24 to 600 mm f/2.4 to 4 Zeiss Vario Sonnar T-Star, a bright, sharp, and highly versatile optic that covers wide-angle to super telephoto without sacrificing clarity. Whether you're shooting portraits, distant wildlife, or landscapes, this lens delivers. Autofocus performance is driven by phase detection. AF points across the frame, which means fast and reliable subject tracking, even with moving subjects. On the video side, it records 4K with full pixel readout and includes advanced features like S-Log2 and S-Log3 gamma curves for those wanting more control in post-production. You also get a high-resolution EVF, a tilting LCD screen, and dual control rings for easy manual adjustments. The build is dust and moisture resistant, giving it durability for tough environments. It's not small, and the price is on the higher side, but for those seeking pro-level performance in one body, the RX10 IV is about as complete as it gets. That wraps up our look at the top 6 bridge cameras for 2026. Whether you're after extreme zoom, better low-light shots, or pro-level video features, there's something on this list to fit your needs. Each model offers a different balance of performance, size, and control, so pick the one that matches how you shoot. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and check the description for product links. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.